Working without a contract for over 2 years now, when Bridgeport Police get a call for a person with a gun, they continue to rush to the scene with little regard of their own safety to protect the citizens of Bridgeport. Tonight, a man was attacked and pistol whipped in the 200 block of Iranistan Avenue. The man was hit in the head and lost a significant amount of blood. This is breaking news and little details at this time. If I get any updates, I'll let you know on doingalocal.com.